Good morning or good afternoon. In today's guide, we're going to be looking at the client ledger, which can be used to generate invoice, incoming and outgoing payments, as well as record cash transfers and many other things. In order to access the client ledger on the case, you must have a client on the case, like this. To access the ledger, click the Quick Access menu up here and click Client Ledger. You'll be taken to the ledger here, and you can see there's quite a few options. I'll go over the most applicable. We have record incoming for recording incoming office or client fees, outgoing for recording outgoing office or client fees, cash transfer for recording cash transfers, journal entries, which can be used to do a number of things such as write-offs or bespoke transfers, or even record incoming or outgoing payments. We have the Create Invoice button, which will create an invoice and add it to the ledger, completion statement, which will generate a completion statement for you, and fee illustration, which will generate a fee illustration. And you can also print the ledger off as well. If you want to create an invoice, click this button here. You can then go through this page to create your invoice. If your case has been linked up to a quote, and you've created it from that quote, then the fees will automatically pull through into the invoice, ready to be used and added. You can see the running total of the invoice at the bottom here, which includes VAT. You can add custom items to the invoice by clicking this button, and add your disbursements and supplements from the ledger to this invoice by clicking these buttons. If your client has already made a payment towards the invoice, or you're giving them a discount, you can use the Deduct from Payment Due box here to take a flat total off of the invoice. You can set the payment terms in the invoice, which is the number of days until the client has to pay it. So for example, you can give them 30 days to pay this invoice. You can add some custom text at the end for the client if you need to explain anything. You can add notes and even footers as well. Once you get through that, you've got three options. You can either save the invoice and the information you've entered for later, so that when you click Create Invoice again, all the data you put in is saved. You can preview the invoice without generating it, and then you can generate the invoice, which will add it to the ledger. If we go to generate the invoice, our invoice will be generated and we'll be able to view it here. We can see the breakdown of the fees, and if you've got a payment integration set up like Go Cardless, there'll be a button at the bottom that the client can click to make the payment due when you send it to them. If we scroll to the top, we have a banner here that lets us view the ledger for the invoice. It's been posted to the ledger, and we can see it's been posted with the net fee and the VAT fee clearly visible and totaled up to the total fee down by here on the office side. We have some other options as well that we need to look at, most notably record incoming and outgoing. If you click record incoming, you'll be taken to this screen here to enter in the details of either incoming client or office money. You can change them by switching the radio buttons here. You can also do the same with record outgoing for office or client money. I hope you found this guide helpful. As always, if you need anything, pop us a call, send us an email. We're happy to help. Thank you for watching.